Have you had it with being told what you should be eating? Are you still passionate about becoming a health creator? Do you want to enjoy an unparalleled quality of life? One that includes your physical and emotional health, something you can't achieve unless all the major systems of your body are able to work together with each other as nature intended. Well, keep listening, because we've got something very special for you. Something that's been years in creation, that's benefited from input by some of the best minds in nutritional science, ecological medicine, and psychoneuroimmunology.
Our bodies have a rather miraculous ability for self-healing when we feed them with the right information at the right time. Food isn't just a source of calories or even just energy. Food is actually information for the body. Without the right kind of information, your body can't repair, regenerate, or heal. More than that, your body also has to be in the right state to receive, and in our modern, hectic world, often it isn't.
In our brand new, easy to read and understand book, you'll find a wealth of information in over 200 pages that helps to set you on a path to transformative health creation. It's also really practical, including tasty Kickstarter recipes embodying the reset eating principles that we hope will make sure your food and health journey is inspiring, enlightening, and rekindles or strengthens your most important relationship, the one with your own body.
Take back control of your health today and become a health creator for life.
Get your copy of our brand new book today. It'll show you how to help your body do a full reset by changing what, how, and when you eat, while also setting you firmly on the path to serious health creation.